Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Ilya Aisha binti Abdul Razi from BA 11918. So this is our project assignment for NAT 112. We're gonna explain about annuity and trade and cash discount.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurin Camelia.
My name is Nur Ain bint Rahim.
Hi, my name is Siti Maisara binti Azman.
Part A Question 1. Suhana bought a car for 125,000 with a 10% down payment. In order to settle the balance, she took a loan from a bank for 9 years with interest rate charge of 3.45% compound monthly. A. Calculate the monthly payment and the total interest charge. 125,000 ringgit Malaysia multiplied to 10% equal to 12,500. Then 125,000 minus 12,500 equal to 112,000. And we use the formula A equal to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus K per M in bracket the power of MT divide K per M. Then we got answer R equal to 1213.23. And then we use the formula 1 equal to M plus R minus A. Then we got the answer I equal to 18,528.84. If Suhana wants to settle the loan in full amount immediately after paying for 7 years, how much will the amount should be paid? We use the formula A equal to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus K per M in bracket the power of MT divide K per M. Then we got the answer is A equal to 28,096.68.
Part A Question 2A. The question is the list price of Xiaomi electric scooter is 1,449 ringgit, including the transportation cost of 150 ringgit. If the trade discount offer was 2%, find first trade discount amount. So the formula is list price equal discount rate. So the answer of this question is 25 ringgit 98 cents. Question 2. Find of net price of the electronic drum. So the formula is net price equal to this price minus trade discount plus EC. So the answer of this question is 1,432 ringgit 2 cents. Question B is a trader received an invoice of 2,500 ringgit, including transportation cost of 100 ringgit. Date is 9 September 2022 with cash discount term of 5 per 50, 3 per 30, and per 60. First, explain the cash discount term of 5 per 50, 3 per 30, and per 60. This term 5% means the net price may be deducted if the invoice is paid within 50 days of the date of the invoice. 3% may be deducted if the invoice is paid between 60 to 30 days and the full amount must be paid by the 60 day. After the 60 day, the bill is overdue. Question 2 is calculate the cash discount if the invoice is paid within 50 days of the date of the invoice. The formula of this question is list price in bracket 1 minus discount rate. So the answer of this question is 18 ringgit 50 cents. Then we need to find the net price. So the answer is 2,400 ringgit. And finally is we need to find the cash discount. So the formula is net price plus discount cash. So the answer is 370 ringgit.
And I'm gonna share a working step for question 1, part B. When Stephen was 10 years old, her mother deposited 100 ringgit at the end of every 3 months in an account that earned 10% compounded quarterly for the first 5 years of saving and 15% compounded quarterly for the rest of the period. What is the amount in the account and the total interest earned when Stephen was 18 years old? For the first 5 years, we're gonna use formula S4 equals to R times bracket 1 plus K over M bracket power of M power of T minus 1 divided by K over M bracket times 1 plus K per M. And the working step would be 100 times bracket 1 plus 0.10 over 4 power of 4 power of 5 minus 1 divided by 0.10 over 4 bracket, then times 1 plus 0.15 over 4 bracket, power of 4 power of 3 divided by 0.10 over 4 equal to 3,970 ringgit and 35 cents. For the rest of period, we're gonna use formula as rest of period equals to r times bracket 1 plus k over m bracket power of t minus 1 divided by k over m. And the working step would be 100 times bracket 1 plus 0.15 over 4 bracket power of 4 power of 3 minus 1 divided by 0.15 over 4 equals to 1,481 ringgit and 21 cents. Then the accumulated value equals to 5,554 ringgit and 56 cents. To find total interest, we will use formula I equals to S minus MTR, and we will got the final answer, which is 2,254 ringgit and 56 cents.
So I will explain about the next question. The question is on 24 June 2022. Kedai Bunga Zuha bought 50 units of fiberglass flower pot at the list price of 179 ringgit per unit. The transportation and insurance charge stated in the invoice was 350 ringgit. Company was given series of trade discount at 4%, 6.5% and 8% and was offered cash discount terms 3% within 50 days or 2% within 30 days and N% within 40 days. Question 4A is determine single discount rate that is equivalent to the trade discounts given. So this is the solution for question A. D equal to 1 minus 1 minus first trade discount rate multiply 1 minus second trade discount rate multiply 1 minus third trade discount, then 1 minus 0.044 for first trade discount. Then multiply 1 minus 0.065 and multiply 1 minus 0.08. Then you will get 1 minus 0.96 multiply 0.935 multiply 0.92 equal to 0.174. Last question for D is calculate the amount of payment if the shop pays the invoice on 10 July 2022. For the question, but you need to multiply with 100% because we need the percent answer. Then you will get 17.5% for the answer. Then we will proceed to the B, which is we need to calculate the net price for each unit of the fiberglass flower pot. So for find the net price, we need to use formula net price. Net price equal to list price multiply 1 minus trade discount rate. So let's resolve it. First, 179 minus 179 multiply 0.174. Then 174 minus 31.15. Then the amount for net price is 147 ringgit 85 cents. For the question C, we need to calculate the amount of cash discount for each unit of the fiberglass flower pot if payment is made on 10 July 2022, which is we need to find the cash discount. So for this question, we need to use formula cash discount equal to net price multiply trade discount C. 147 ringgit 85 cent multiply 0.02, then we get the cash discount 2 ringgit 96 cent. Last question for D is calculate the amount of payment if the shop pays the invoice on 10 July 2022. For the question, we need to find the payment, but before that, we need to find the net payment first. So the formula is net payment equal to net price minus net price multiplied with supplier offer percent. 147 ringgit 85 cent multiply 0.02. And we get 2 ringgit 96 cent for the net payment. Then we need to find the answer for payment with using the formula of payment. Payment equal to net price plus other cash. So this is the reason why we need to find the net payment first because of in the payment formula has a net price. Other cost is insurance policy cost or transportation cost included. So let's refine it. 144 ringgit 89 cent multiply 50 plus 350 equal to 7,594 ringgit 65 cent. This is the closing for part 2 question 2. This is the end of our video to explain the topic of annuity trade and cash discount. We hope this video can help you guys to understand this topic more deeply. Thank you guys. See you again.